Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by stopping automatic light shifts. Open Settings and go to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. This is where Auto Brightness lives. Turn the Auto Brightness toggle off, and you prevent the ambient sensor from altering screen intensity. Once done, the iPad will hold the brightness you set manually. Make sure to set your preferred level next via Control Center so the screen won't jump around when lighting changes. Now lock in a steady brightness manually. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center, then drag the brightness slider to the level you want. While here, keep true tone and night shift settings in mind. They can change color and perceived brightness. Disable them if you need absolute consistency. Once the slider is set, the iPad keeps that level unless you change it. Make sure you adjust in the lighting where you'll use the device most. Finish by ruling out other features that change brightness. Go to Settings, right arrow Battery, and disable Low Power Mode, which can dim the display to save power. If your iPad has attention-aware features, turn those off because they can alter screen behavior. Once you've changed these settings, restart the iPad to ensure they take effect. Troubleshooting tip: if brightness still fluctuates, reset all settings. It keeps data, but clears system tweaks that might be forcing changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.